West with Rowe Dental Lab, and today I want to talk with you about our very large guard assortment. If you've checked out our website, we have some really helpful tables on there to help you select what's going to be best for pricing, timing, wear and tear, but today I'll kind of dive into it. If you want to check that part of our website out, we're going to link it down below. But let's first kick off with our CLEARguard assortment. We have a lot of different options when it comes to CLEARguards. First one I'm going to talk about today is going to be CLEARguard Hard. So just like it sounds, hard on the outside and hard on the inside. We also have our CLEARguard with memory liner. So if you have a patient who needs a hard guard, they're really clenching and grinding at night, but you also want something that's going to kind of cushion that impact, the CLEARguard with memory liner is going to be a great option for these patients. The last of the CLEARguards is going to be our CLEARguard Semi-Soft. So it'll have a thin liner on it that is thermo activated, so you'll have to rinse that under warm water. Somewhat comparable, but again, with the memory liner is going to offer quite a bit more cushion if you're looking to kind of brace that impact. If you are scanning for any of these guard options and looking to save a little bit of money, we also offer model-free options only with the CLEARguard Hard or the CLEARguard Semi-Soft. The next thing I'm going to talk about is our ForceField athletic guard. So if you had a lot of kids coming into your practice who are playing team sports, or families with kids in sports, or maybe the parents or patients themselves are heavy lifters, they like skiing, playing basketball, anything where they're looking to protect their teeth, our ForceField guard is going to be a great option for them. It comes in an assortment of colors and then also has a little ring on it so that you don't lose it. So that'll be an option as well. And then lastly, I want to talk about miniComfort. Many people have heard of it, it's tried and true here at Rowe, but miniComfort is going to be our daytime or nighttime appliance for your patients who say, I really have a hard time wearing a full mouth guard, it kind of gags me, or I don't like how it goes all the way in the back. This is going to be a great option for those patients, and they're also going to be able to talk with it in. So if they are a patient needing to wear something during the day, but want to be able to have a conversation like you and I are having right now, miniComfort is going to be a great solution for them. In our miniComfort order, there is 2 that come standard with it, so it's a daytime thickness and a nighttime thickness. But if you're like, hey, I want 2 daytime or I want 2 nighttime, just go ahead and annotate that on your RX. If you are an office who is 3D printing your own guards and you get a little bit behind or don't have time to do designs, we can do design services for guards as well. So if that's something you're looking for, we also offer that here at Rowe. If you have any other questions regarding our Splint and guard offerings, please feel free to call into Rowe directly. Or if you have a case that's ready to go and you want to talk with someone once we get the records, go ahead and request a call on your RX.